Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Now, I did just finish watching Birds. I freaking love this movie. It is so, it's just so 60s. And I mean that in a good way. Like, you ever watch a movie from any decade and it's like, yep, this is totally 60s or any decade you're watching it from? Like, for example, Grease. Grease is totally 70s with its practical effects and whatnot. Birds is so 60s with its practical effects and its real birds. Like, you can literally tell that they used fake birds. It's just pure greatness. Plus the writing is it's just so perfect, and it fits for the time that this movie came out in. Oh wow. I literally have no words whatsoever. This movie exists just to make you laugh and fall in love with animals or birds, whatever you you desire. But just the pure premise of Birds is just it's just so great. And you gotta respect, you have to respect Alfred Hitchcock in directing the hell out of this movie. Just pure birds going and attacking people for no reason whatsoever. Maybe there's a reason. We just don't care to say, Mr. Siegel, why are you attacking us humans? And maybe the response is, because we want you. Yes, Theodore. So, once again, the movie Birds is just, it's just so great. It's just hilarious, and it's just fun. It's just literally meant to be fun and entertaining. Whether you were a kid watching this movie and were like, yeah, nah, birds should be far away from me, I'm gonna step back. Birds are terrifying as hell, but they're not as terrifying as dolphins. Dolphins get an easy pass on whatever and can do whatever because they're so cute and cuddly. Me, I'm a shark guy. I love sharks, hammerheads, frickin' great whites. And yeah, birds just attacking for no reason might be terrifying, but yeah. This movie's just, it's a period, it's a staple of its time. It is a true 1960s masterpiece. Whether you love it, hate it, or on the fence about it, it is quite literally fun and just pure greatness for a 1960s movie. Maybe that's why the guy killed John F. Kennedy in 1963 because he was because of birds. Maybe that's why JFK got shot. It's because the guy saw birds and was like, it's JFK's fault. I'm joking. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, it's interesting for sure. For sure. But anyways, I love this movie. It is remarkable. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys so far for right now. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.